Hello. Today we are going to do another graph. Who remembers doing the piggy graph we did last week? Thumbs up. Awesome. So this graph that we're doing is exactly like that, except it's not different shapes. It is little tiny Halloween pictures. So if you remember when we did the piggy graph, what you had to do was go into the graph and you had to color in different shapes and then put them on your graph. All right, so I'm going to show you this one. Isn't that cool? Look at that. So we have a pumpkin, and inside the pumpkin we have little tiny witches, spiders, and spooky ghosts. So what you're going to need for this is a couple of colors. This one doesn't tell you what colors you have to color it, so you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to choose purple for the witch's hat. I'm going to choose black for the spider, and the ghosts, I'm just going to leave them white. Okay, so I'm going to get you started. We'll do a couple together, and then you need to finish it off. And I know you can do it because I saw a lot of the piggy graphs and they were awesome. Okay, so I'm going to show you my work down here, and then I want you to go and do your own graph. Okay? All right, so I'm going to turn the camera down here so you can see. There we go. Now, if you notice, I have already started coloring. Well, actually, I already colored and graphed the witches' hats. So I colored them in first, purple, and then, if you remember how we talked about counting them, because they're not in a row, you might forget which ones you counted. So what I like to do is do a little line when I count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could do a little check mark, a dot, whatever works for you. So I have 6 witches' hats. So I go down here where the witch's hat is, and then if there were 6 hats up here, then I have to color in 6 squares down here, which I already did. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can color them in all nice and solid. I'm just showing you the idea. All right, and then I'm going to practice writing my numbers. So I'm going to put a 6 here. And we're going to go around and up like that. The rhyme for 6 is throw a hoop, make a loop. I'm going to tell you that again. Throw a hoop, make a loop. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to move on to the spiders. Now, the spiders, I'm going to color black. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to color in the spiders. 1. I'm just going to do their bodies. 2. 3. This time I'm counting as I color. 4. 5. Ooh, there's a lot of spiders. 6. 7. So I had 6 witches' hats, and now I have 7 spiders. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then we go down here and we are going to color in how many? You're right, 7 squares. And that is where I'm going to leave you, because I know that you are going to be able to finish this off yourself, and I can't wait for you to show and share your graph.